Crypto top 5 sectors. We're going to talk about real world tokenization and Bitcoin for beginners. So those are what we're going to be talking about. Thank you for letting me share with you this. I'm a student and an independent business owner of the IM Academy, what you see right here on the screen. And I'm just sharing with you what I'm picking up. I feel like I'm consider myself an intermediate trader, but we have access to over 60 plus different professional advanced traders inside the academy. And if you're interested and you feel like it's a fit for you, I'd love for you to consider joining with us. If you like to have a business of your own, you can become an independent business owner and take advantage of the lot of energy going on right now around the crypto area. But here's a little video just to share with you just briefly what is IM Academy.
Welcome to IM Mastery Academy. IM Mastery Academy sells digital educational products and services focused on the teaching of skills and understanding financial markets and the e-commerce sector. The content is delivered online primarily through live interactive video and supported by a library of pre-recorded and app-based content. IM Mastery Academy was formed in 2013 by Chris Terry and Isis Terry to offer learning and education opportunity to adult students on a subscription model. IM Mastery Academy's objective is to provide its customers with accessible and interactive training to enable them to develop skills they could apply to their own trading. Initially, IM Mastery Academy focused on financial markets education, but has since expanded its scope into learning modules that cover other areas such as social media, personal development, and e-commerce. The primary IM Mastery Academy products are learning modules known as courses. There are 5 distinct courses that are offered to customers to purchase via the im.academy website: foreign exchange, stocks and cryptocurrency, e-commerce, social media, and personal development. The content of each course is delivered by interactive online sessions with IM Mastery Academy trainers called educators via a service which is called Go Live. Each Go Live session is offered on multiple days and at various times to accommodate students in different time zones. Students can also access a library of pre-recorded video modules for each course, which is also available on mobile devices via the IM Academy app. In addition, IM Mastery Academy offers travel life experiences. This travel benefits membership program is not an educational product, but gives members access to discounted travel and experiences, including themed educational trips. IM Mastery Academy does not engage in providing trading signals, offer investment advice, or provide trading facilities, nor does IM Mastery Academy refer business to investment brokers or recommend firms of brokers to its Academy customers. IM Academy, therefore, has no information on how students invest or trade or whether they make a profit or loss in their trading activities. IM Academy uses a multi-level marketing program involving independent business owners or IBOs to sell its online educational services. Customers who are not part of the multi-level structure pay subscriptions for educational services. Commissions are paid only on customer subscriptions. No commissions are paid for recruitment or from any fees paid by participants in the multi-level program. All IM Mastery Academy IBOs are self-employed, independent contractors and are not employees. As such, they do not receive a salary and are paid only on the customer sales they make or their sales teams make. You must be 18 years old or older to enroll. Visit im.academy to learn more. IM Mastery Academy. This is home.
This is home, just like it sounds, and it is like home. We have a whole family of people that are in this community. So whether you're just an independent person just trading and investing on their own, you have that support of that community around you. And if you're an independent business owner and you're looking to share the academy with other people, there's a lot of support for that too. So thank you for checking that out. If you're interested in learning more about it, my particular link is inside the description of the video. But then also too, if you have specific questions, you can send me a text or call me. My number's inside the description of the video. We'll just cover any questions you may have. Once we get going, we'll just be in this community together, right? So now, a lot of what the teachers ask us to do, and I thought I had the go live schedule pulled up. A lot of what the teachers ask us to do is to do our own research. And so this is what, if you were inside the academy, this is what your back office looks like. These are all the sessions around stocks and crypto, right? There are other academies, but these are the Stocks and Crypto Academy. So Sunday through Saturday, we have teachers teaching different time frames throughout the day. And it doesn't matter where you live, if it's in the United States or Europe or lots of other countries around the world. It is an international reach. We have other languages. And so just know that there's I didn't mean to do that. White horse, where's that? I'll have to fix the, oops, I hit the wrong thing. USA, Arizona. That's us. Okay. All right. So that's the all live schedule right there. Now, in the description that I talked about different like 5 major categories. Okay. So inside the categories, this is a free website. If you wish to check it out, it's called coingecko.com, coingecko.com. It lists all the coins, all the exchanges, all the market cap right up here on the top left. Then also too, you can look up things by categories. There are really over 200 plus different categories inside of crypto. And there's over 13,000 coins. There is a lot in the space, right? But our teachers have kind of filtered out a lot of them for us. And then they say, don't go just buy them on your own, do research, right? So I'm just kind of sharing with you how I would go about my normal research and how you could go about your normal research. But this is a good website for basic research, coingecko.com. Now, you can create a free account. I've kind of labeled my portfolio. These are things I'm looking at. Most of them I am already into, but if I'm interested in something, I'll put them in these folders. So you can put individual assets in a folder so you can track it, right? Now, basically, and this is kind of beginner, but it's a little bit, put your thinking cap on, in the whole crypto space, take it from the smallest coin to the biggest coin, they're worth different things. And so we kind of broken it up into main cap, mid cap, low cap. So that for me is the whole, like everything, right? But then there's different categories that I'm really looking at. Memes, artificial intelligence, tokenized physical assets, gaming, decentralized finance. Those are 5 areas that I'm personally interested in and just checking out and following and picking things that based on what the educators say, based on my goals. And this is how you would do it for you, right? Now, let's just look at one category, tokenized physical assets. Okay, tokenized physical assets. We're going to look at that. Now, before we do that, I want to show you how you can use ChatGPT to assist you with your trading. It can assist you with everything. I look up all kind of stuff. You can see on my left-hand side of the page here, stuff I've been looking up. It is a great way to do some research. So this is what I put in the question to it. I said, what does real world tokenization mean in simple terms? So that's the way I've heard to phrase that in simple terms to ChatGPT, because I want him to dumb it down a little bit for me so I can just kind of get the real, easy understanding. And fortunately, it does a great job. So here's the definition it gave me. What is real world tokenization? Now, I encourage you to just remember this, because if you're interested in this space at all, real world tokenized assets, tokenization is something that the educators are saying are really going to get popular. This is a category. But what is it? What does that even mean? Real world tokenization is the process of turning physical assets like real estate, art, or commodities into digital tokens on a blockchain. Now, does that make sense? I hope so. That's pretty simple. Real world tokenization is the process of turning a physical asset like real estate, art, or commodities into digital tokens on a blockchain. So like if I have a piece of art that I want to tokenize, I can tokenize it, put it on the blockchain, and it shows that this thing worked is my, it's the ownership. You can turn a physical asset into a digital token, and it shows proof of ownership. Now imagine you have a valuable painting. Instead of owning the painting physically, you receive a digital token that represents the ownership of the painting. These tokens are stored securely on a blockchain, a digital ledger technology. Each token represents a certain fraction or share of the painting's value. This digital representation of ownership allows for easier and more efficient trading. So I know a lot of people are into collecting watches, and so they're having digital ownership of the watch, and that's a lot of way they can trade these sorts of things. They buy, sell. In conclusion, it says, in essence, real world tokenization makes ownership of physical assets more accessible, divisible, and tradable in the digital realm, bringing benefits to fractional ownership, liquidity, and global accessibility to investors. I hope you are able to absorb a little bit of that. And these are some of the things that you can tokenize: real estate, artwork and collectibles, commodities, securities, intellectual property, real world services, right? Now, yes, this is what I was looking for. I wanted to ask ChatGPT what they thought is a list of blockchain platforms and protocol available. So I was looking at which ones I want to invest in, right? Well, here's a list, and most of them, there's 6 on the list here from ChatGPT. I believe all the educators have recommended all of them. I just personally do not like Binance Smart Chain, so I'm in on all the others. So Ethereum, Tezos, Polkadot, Stellar, and Algorand. So let's take a look at those, and let's just see. We're going to go in here and just look at those 5. Okay, so here's tokenized physical assets, and there are others on the radar. I just added a few new today, but I want to just cover the ones that ChatGPT talked about today. So Ethereum. And Ethereum is it's probably my favorite, because not only is Ethereum a main cap coin, it's the number 2 coin in the whole space, and it's used to tokenize physical assets. So this is currently around 3,000, and a lot of people believe this has a lot of room to grow. We could see 3-5x returns here, so I'm loving Ethereum. Let's go back. What's the next one? It said Binance. I'm going to look at that. Tezos. Let's look at Tezos. This is an interesting one. So we should start learning to do our homework into it. Start diving into it. Its previous all-time high was around $8. Right now, it's just about $1. If in the next, what we call the bull market, the next time prices really go, we have a little while before that happens, I can see it hitting previous all-time highs again. I mean, that will be my hope for this. So that's like an 8x return. Not financial advice, but that's what I would like to see there. Polkadot. Let's look at Polkadot. Polkadot, number 17 in rank of market value. Man, this is a good one right now. I'm so happy and grateful to be investing in this one right now. All-time high, just over $50, and it's $6 right now. This is almost like it's a good, if it goes back to previous all-time highs, that will be an 8x plus, 8 times. And wow, so I am all aboard on this one. This is one that that they believe was probably going to be sticking around like for the long term. This is a long-term play for me right here, Polkadot. All right, now Stellar. Let's look at Stellar. Number 35 ranked in total market value. About 11 cents per coin. Previous all-time highs around 80 cents. Another potential 8x if it goes back to previous all-time high. And I'm a believer in this project. This has been on my list for a while. Algorand. Let's look at Algorand. Algorand right here, number 67 and ranked number 67 in the total market value. This is interesting. 17 cents. Previous all-time high between $2 and $3. I'm gonna keep an eye on this one. I'm not so much. I haven't been all in on this one, but I'm very interested. Okay. Cardano. Let's take a look at that. Number 11 in total market cap. This is one I feel really good about. It's at 45 cents an asset and previous all-time high around $3. So we're looking at a potential 5-6x if it goes back to previous all-time high, not financial advice. That's Cardano. EOS. So let's see, look at EOS. EOS. Number 107 in total market value. Let's look at its chart. Wow. I'm not all in on this one. This one just recently made my list, so I'm looking at it and deciding if I want to get into it. But they say buy in the red, sell in the green. So is this red? Yes, it is. Very red chart right now. NEM, let's look at that real quick. Not financial advice. NEM, ranked number 213 by total market cap. Wow. Talk about buy low, sell high. Whew. Previous all-time high almost hit $2. It's at 3 cents. I'm gonna do some digging into these. These are new ones that got onto my list. So these are things I'm going to be checking out. But these are all, and you can get all this for free on the coingecko.com, and you can create and study your own, however you want to break it up. This is the way I structured my portfolio on their, not my actual portfolio, but the coins that I'm looking at on their website. You can create it however you want. But I have a tokenized physical asset section, and we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different ones I'm looking at. I'm probably in about half of them, and some of them I'm not interested in, but this is the area. This is the we just talked about. This is an area of potential growth, not financial advice. This tokenized physical assets of things and these projects that do it. So we're excited. Let's just see where it goes, right? Let's see where that goes. Now let's wrap it up with Bitcoin. Take a basic look at Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame on the IM Academy swipe coin tool right here. So we're currently right about 63,400 depending on the exchange you're looking at. But you see the zone that we have right here on the screen. We've broken and closed above. It's confirmed the idea. So we'll see if we hold steady. But that's, what I have found with trading and investing with Bitcoin is that we're just really doing a lot of looking for zones. So this is a zone that I'm watching right now for Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame. This is a zone that I'm watching on the daily time frame. So we have a big zone right here, right where it says starting point for me. I'm watching these two. If we can stay above this zone, I feel like we could push up. But here's another reason why. Also, an IM Academy tool based on the 1 hour time frame. This is an advanced type of a pattern here, but it's called a harmonics pattern. And it is calling an idea. It's calling some zones for us with the potential to go back up to 72. And I hope that we hit this. I have some trades going that could really use this. So it called it, when it hit this, called a bat pattern. So we almost hit the goal 1, got goal 2, goal 3. The program just computed and spit this out all on its own. So if you had this tool, you would have access. You'd have access to it. So you would have got this call when this kind of pattern doesn't happen very often in Bitcoin, but when it does, it's fascinating. It's called harmonics, and it's that looks like the bat wing, a little profile there. So yeah, so we'll see how this plays out. I hope it does. It does confluence with this because this is showing that we're heading up right now. So that's it right now. So if you have any questions, or if you want to look at any coins, if you have any questions about the IM Academy, remember that I'm just sharing with you this because I'm hoping that whether it's you or someone else, if you want to learn more, you can learn it through the IM Academy. And that's what's really all about. The link to join is inside the description. If you have any questions, I have a free offer to call me anytime and ask me anything you want about it. And I'm easy to talk to and just a phone call away. So that's it for now. Look forward to our next session. I'll be back.